Your leadership team, what should they do? Well, you bring your leadership team to the table, so hopefully if they're a distributed leadership team, maybe there's one person from each grade level or each department or each team on that leadership team. And you train them so they know how to do it. You don't train them, though, so they come up with the answers. You just train them so they know how to analyze the data the way you want it done. And then you send them back to their constituent groups to do the work. You follow me? They don't do the work. If the leadership team does the work, where does that leave the rest of the faculty? Think about that video we just saw. The leadership team does all the analysis, comes up with the problems, all that kind of stuff. What ownership does that create in your faculty? See, what I want to have is that third grade person that's on my leadership team. I'm going to go through all of it. They know how to do all the analysis and everything, but they don't tell the answers. They go back and sit down with the third grade team during a planning session with the third grade team and say, hey, let's analyze the data. I know what the strategies, I know how do we do this. And I lead them through the process. Guess who discovers the weaknesses in where the third graders were in math last year? The third grade teachers discover it. So when you start saying, okay, what should we be doing next year in mathematics to get better? It's not rocket science when they say, well, we really need to work on geometry or spatial skills or, probability or whatever. Because they're the ones that have discovered that's where the deficit was. You follow me? There has to be meaning in the process or it has no value. I'm not helping my staff when I stay up late hours as the principal and do all this work and then present them the data. Matter of fact, I'm actually hurting them because they are not engaged in the process. They have to discover the answers. That's the cool thing, when they discover where it went wrong. That's the power. It's the process, not that I did it for them. I'm not helping them. That's like with your child saying, I'm going to remove all the barriers in your life. I'm going to run interference for you every time I can. Is that helping your child learn to grow and make decisions? No. You're actually setting them up for a really big failure when they leave your home.